Ohio Solid Waste Advisory Council, or SWAC, helps the Ohio EPA develop the solid waste management plan for the state. SWAC meets 4 times annually to advise and assist with the preparation of Ohio's solid waste management plan, annually reviews implementation of Ohio's solid waste management plan, and the plans written by Ohio's EPA via director's orders, and reports the findings to the director. Membership on the SWAC includes Director of Ohio's Environmental Protection Agency, the Department of Natural Resources, the Ohio Department of Development, as well as representatives from the Senate and House of Representatives from the Ohio General Assembly. The governor appoints 14 members representing various units of government and the private sector.
The Ohio Solid Waste Management Plan has 8 requirements. They are: reduce reliance on the use of landfills for management of solid waste. Establish restrictions on the types of solid waste disposed by landfilling where alternative management methods are available. Establish alternative methods for disposal of fly ash and bottom ash from the burning of mixed municipal solid waste. Establish a strategy to promote markets for products containing recycled materials. Establish objectives for solid waste reduction, recycling, reuse, and minimization. Establish revised general criteria for the location of solid waste facilities. Establish a statewide strategy for managing scrap tires. Establish a program for the proper separation and disposal of household hazardous waste.
Ohio's Solid Waste Management Plan must address the 8 topics identified in the law: specific goals to reduce reliance on landfills and to increase recycling. Waste reduction and minimization must be met by each of the 52 solid waste management districts. Each update to Ohio's plan includes upgrades and refined goals for the next generation of district solid waste plans.
There are 3 types of management structures for solid waste districts. All 3 types have similar responsibilities. There are single county districts where the Board of County Commissioners manages the district. There are joint solid waste districts with a board of directors, which includes the Board of County Commissioners from each county. There are solid waste authorities with a board of trustees. The membership of a board of trustees of an authority is prescribed when the authority is formed. Ohio law specifies subtle differences on how single county districts, joint districts, and solid waste authorities are managed. A single county district is managed by the Board of County Commissioners. A joint solid waste district has a board comprised of all commissioners in the counties forming the joint district. An authority is managed by a board of trustees. The Board of Trustees also performs the role of the policy committee to develop the solid waste management plan for the authority. A Board of County Commissioners manages a district similar to other county departments. A board of directors of a joint solid waste district is provided specific authority to appoint and fix compensation of employees, accept gifts, devises and bequests, and takes other actions necessary to control and manage the joint district. A Board of Trustees has all the duties and responsibilities that were imposed on or granted to a Board of Commissioners or Board of Directors, as well as a policy committee. This chart depicts the organization and management of a single county district. This chart depicts the organization and management of a joint county district. This chart depicts the organization and management of a solid waste authority.
The 3 types of solid waste districts have similar authorizations under Ohio law, allowing the Board of Directors or Board of Trustees to do the following. They may acquire by purchase or lease to construct, improve, enlarge, replace, maintain, and operate solid waste collection systems and solid waste facilities. The collection systems and solid waste facilities may be located within or outside the district. They may acquire within the county real property, any estate, interest, or rights by appropriation or any other method for use by a county or joint district in connection with such facilities. The Commissioners, Directors, or Trustees can issue bonds or bond anticipation notes to pay the cost of preparing general and detailed plans and other data required for the construction of solid waste facilities. Maximum maturity of the bond shall not exceed 10 years. The Commissioners, Directors, or Trustees can enter into a contract with any person, municipal corporation, township, or other political subdivision for the operation and maintenance of any solid waste facilities, regardless of whether the facilities are owned or leased by the county or joint district or the contractor. The commissioners, directors, or trustees can provide exemptions for conflicts of interest for commissioners, directors, and trustees. This information is provided in the County Commissioners Handbook under Ethics and Conflict of Interest provisions. The commissioners, directors, or trustees may join and form new joint districts and withdraw and establish separate solid waste districts. Details to accomplish withdrawal, dissolution, establishing new districts, or joining an existing district is provided in the County Commissioners Handbook.
Joint districts are managed by a board of directors and have specific authorizations. A majority of the board of directors constitutes a quorum, and a majority vote is required for the board to act. The board of directors may designate a county auditor as the fiscal officer of the district, may appoint an individual to be treasurer and fiscal officer of the district, may designate a prosecuting attorney of one of the counties of the district to serve as legal advisor, may employ an attorney as legal advisor, may employ a professional engineer or select the sanitary engineer from one of the counties in the district to assist with engineering duties.
The Solid Waste Authority is a unique type of district. Formation of an authority